So everybody is talking about AI is going to take their job, but really they're asking the wrong question. Hi, this is Dr. Stephen Kirch of Profit Minds, and we work with small to mid-sized businesses to infuse AI everywhere so that we upskill every employee in every role to do everything that they do faster and easier. So the narrative today is that AI is going to replace jobs, and we need to prepare for that disruption. And yeah, there are an awful lot of layoffs going on today that are underpinned, at least in part, because of what's happening with the way AI is changing the entire landscape. But the problem is that the narrative is about AI replacing jobs. And actually, what's happening is that AI is exposing pieces of jobs, even large pieces of jobs, that weren't really all that valuable to begin with. It's all that drudgery that most people hate anyway. And if you can replace that with AI, the obvious thing is to take those people and let them upskill, let them handle all of that. And I know everybody has a list, right? Gosh, if I only had time, I would be able to do this kind of thing. Right? That's the magic. That's the real opportunity here. The companies that are winning aren't preparing for disruption. They're using AI to unlock capacity for strategic work. They're not married to the old org chart, and that's your job, and that's what you do. But they're expanding those roles and taking that, what was that job, and redefining it and allowing people to do a lot more that's much more exciting. And what we find when people go through our AI transformation program is, yes, they're more efficient and effective, but they're also more engaged. And of course, that's the key to retention. That's the key to getting people to really provide value to you and your business. So stop defending yesterday's org chart and start designing tomorrow's. If you want to talk about this, I'd be happy to chat. The link's below. Thanks, and have a grateful day.